Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Tony and Liga here, and today we are in a very good mood because it's a festive season and we decided to gift ourselves beautiful, wonderful, lazy, chill day at the hotel. So now we are heading to the Preskil Island Resort.
Preskil is found in the southeast of Mauritius. It's very near to the airport. It's a 1 hour drive from Flag, and we set off from Flag, and yeah, enjoy the ride.
Our adventure begins with a scenic drive through Mauritius. The vibrant blooms and mountains guided us towards the Preskil Island Resort, a destination that promised unforgettable experiences.
Welcome to Preskil Island Resort, a true gem in Mauritius. Located on a private peninsula, this four-star retreat remarkably combines luxury and natural beauty. From the moment we arrived, we were in for something extraordinary.
The view from above is breathtaking. Pristine white sandy beaches wrapping around the turquoise lagoon, framed by the rugged peaks of the Lion Mountain. It's the place that feels like it's been plucked straight out of a dream.
The resort's design is just as captivating. Inspired by traditional Mauritian architecture, the thatched roofs and natural materials blend seamlessly into the rush tropical surroundings, giving the whole area a charming, rustic elegancy.
The lagoon here is one of the best we've seen, so crystal clear and vibrant that it feels like an invitation to dive in. While we didn't try snorkeling this time, it's definitely on our list for the future. The marine life here is supposed to be incredible, and the conditions are perfect for underwater exploration.
We took some time to stroll along the private beaches, and they didn't disappoint. You'll find boats anchored just offshore, ready to whisk you around to the nearby islands. The convenience of booking a trip directly from the resort is a huge plus.
Even if you are not venturing out, the grounds of the resort offer plenty to explore, with gardens, cozy beachside nooks, and endless photo-worthy spots. There is always something to discover. Whether you are looking for adventure or just relaxation, Preskil has it all.
This isn't just a place to stay, it's an experience. The combination of world-class hospitality, natural beauty, and thoughtful designs make Preskil Island Resort a destination you'll never forget. One of the highlights of the day was the dining experience at Rendez-Vous, the resort's main restaurant. The buffet here was nothing short of spectacular, a true celebration of flavors, textures, and cuisines.
The variety was immense. You had freshly baked bread, the wide selection of cheeses and olives that were a perfect start to the meal. The international offerings included handcrafted pasta and a range of meats cooked to perfection.
But what stood out were the authentic Mauritian dishes. The curries were rich and aromatic, with layers of spices that transported us straight into the heart of local culture.
Vegetarians weren't left out either. There were vibrant salads, fresh vegetables prepared in various styles, and even live cooking stations where chefs crafted dishes tailored to your preferences. Watching them work was like a mini show. Everything about this dining experience felt thoughtfully curated, from the presentation to the freshness of the ingredients. It wasn't just a meal, it was a journey through Mauritius culinary traditions with a touch of global influence.
If you are a foodie or just someone who loves trying new things, Rendez-Vous will leave you more than satisfied. It's a feast that lingers your memory long after the plates are cleared. I'm here with Alain one of the managers, restaurant manager of Preskil Island Restaurant, and I would say that this is one of my best experiences like I have had in Mauritius. I'm so glad to be speaking to him, and he has stayed here for over 37 years. So, would you like to introduce?
Nice also to meet you.
Yeah.
Wish you all the best in life, and you're most welcome next time.
Thank you so much.
Happy to see you again.
Thank you so much. If you're there in Mauritius for holidays, I want to tell you that you're missing out. You have to come here at Preskil Island Resort, which is found in the east. It's in
the southeast.
It's southeast. By the way, this place is probably very near to the airport, yeah, so it's easier. Please check it out. Thank you so much. After indulging in such a spectacular meal, we decided to spend the afternoon by the pool, which felt like an oasis of calm and beauty. The design of the pool is incredible, spacious, inviting, and perfectly positioned to offer views of the lagoon and beyond.
The water was just the right temperature, cool enough to refresh but warm enough to make it impossible to resist.
The lounging areas around the pool were equally impressive. There were cozy sunbeds, shaded spots for those who prefer to relax out of the sun, and even intimate sitting zones, ideal for quick nap or reading a book. The atmosphere was peaceful, with just the right amount of energy from other guests enjoying themselves.
Of course, no pool day is complete without cocktails, and Preskil's selection was a mixologist's dream. They had all the classics, think mojitos, margaritas, and pina coladas crafted to perfection. But what caught our attention were their signature blends.
Whether you are here for the drinks, the views, or just to float in the tranquil waters, the pool at Preskil Island Resort is an experience you won't want to miss. As the evening unfolded, the magic of the festive season came alive at Preskil Island Resort. The entire place was adorned with beautiful Christmas lights and tastefully decorated trees, which created a warm and joyous atmosphere.
Every corner of the resort seemed to sparkle with holiday cheer. The lights reflected off the lagoon, casting a shimmering glow that made the whole scene feel almost magical. We made our way to the 1810 restaurant, one of Preskil's fine dining gems.
The restaurant is named after a historical event, the Battle of Grand Port, which took place in 1810 just off the Mauritian coast.
The menu offered a variety of dishes, but we couldn't resist trying the beef curry, which came highly recommended. Hands down, the best curry we've had in Mauritius.
Huge thanks to the chef for the culinary masterpiece. After our incredible dinner, we decided to take a stroll along the beach. As we walked back to our car, we couldn't help but feel grateful for such an amazing day. The hospitality, the food, the scenery, it all came together to create an unforgettable experience. Preskil Island Resort truly knows how to make you feel at home.
Thank you so much for joining us on this journey through Preskil Island Resort. We hope you enjoyed exploring this little slice of paradise with us.
If you have ever been to Preskil or you are planning to visit, we would love to hear your thoughts. Share your experiences or questions in the comments. We will be happy to chat with you.
And if you are still deciding, let us know what you are most excited about. The lagoon, the food, the cocktails, or just relaxing in this stunning environment. We would love to help you plan your dream trip.
Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to our channel for more adventures like this. Hit the notification bell so that you will never miss a moment of our travels.
And of course, feel free to share this video with friends or family who might be dreaming of their next getaway. Thank you again for watching, and we will see you in the next video.